Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Just stopping by today to tell you about the current challenge at my challenge group on Facebook. There's a stamp for that. The current challenge, Challenge 34, ends on Saturday, April 9th, 2022 at midnight, so you still have time to come on over and join the fun. So let's get started. The themes are, for Challenge 34, are Mini Slimline, Numbers, and Get Well. Several of these cards I have not shared yet, so you're kind of getting a sneak peek. Once I share them, I will come back and link to the blog post about them. And yeah, sorry, words are kind of escaping me lately when I do videos. I don't know, I think I must have been out of practice. But anyways, let's get started. The first card that I created was for the Get Well theme. This uses a Craft & Kimmy stamp set called My Type, and I just think it turned out so pretty. Next, I did this card for the Mini Slimline theme with products from Cat Scrappiness, and it says Sending Paper Hugs. This die and this die are from Cat Scrappiness. It's some old, I think it was basic gray paper. I just thought it turned out really pretty. I layered that Sending Paper Hugs die so that it had some dimension, kind of stood out a little bit, and added some sparkly dots there. There's the inside. So that was for the Mini Slimline. And then the last card that I created was for the Numbers theme, because I found this paper that had numbers in my stash. It's a very old paper pad. And then this called like Spotted Owl something, and so I had owls in my mind, so I dug out this very old retired Some Odd Girl stamp set with these owls and colored them up, and it says hoo hoo hooray. I did emboss that back panel there with some circles to kind of mimic that, and I thought that turned out super duper cute. So there are the 3 cards for my challenge. There's a stamp for that. I would love to have you come on over, join the group, and play along with our challenges. This month, our sponsor is Artful Angel, and this first challenge, Challenge 34, is sponsored by them, so there will be a prize to win. So again, everything's linked in the description box below. Come on over, join the fun, and have an amazing day.